You said that the next billion-dollar company will be founded by 3 people.
Yeah, if you look back in history, maybe 50, 70 years ago, it needed about a 10,000 person company to create $1 billion valuation. Instagram was 13 people, right? Now we'll get it down to 3 people because AI will handle most of the execution work. You should just have AI bots doing all the finances, marketing, et cetera, et cetera.
So one of the things I'm doing in the companies that I'm running or advising or investing in is I'm saying, first of all, every company needs to have what I call a chief AI officer. Everybody, you can start an AI company now with literally spare time in your garage. So every part of your team, right? There's going to be AI supporting sales and marketing and engineering and HR.
I think if we've got, say, a 30-person company, every single person needs to be trained in AI and using these chatbot auto GPT tools and absolutely augment themselves 10, 20, 100x.